can't connect your old or new Amazon Echo device to your Wi-Fi network? This error usually happens due to weak signals, incorrect Wi-Fi passwords, or router issues. In this video, I will show you how to fix the can't connect to Wi-Fi error on your Echo device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, and your Bluetooth should be turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the router. Unplug the power adapters of the router for at least 1 minute. Then plug your router back in. Wait for it to fully restart. After the router restarted, try connecting your Echo again. Solution 2. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa app, tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi Network, check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet. So you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, are you still facing the same issue? Then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Reset the Alexa device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using an email or a phone number. After signing up to Amazon, allow all permissions if it wants. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, you can connect your smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. And that's it. This is how you can fix the can't connect to Wi-Fi error on your Echo device. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.